Hey, it's Natalie here in the gardens. Let's talk a little bit about water and irrigation material. If you get tired of watering with your garden hose, there are a lot of ways that you can hook up a simple irrigation system in your own home garden. So we use commercial irrigation supplies, but these are becoming much more easily available for homeowners. You can get small irrigation kits at Lowe's. There are two basic components. One is what we would call a feed line. This is a half-inch in diameter, and this would be what would run across the top of our garden. Then we would essentially just attach connectors every time we had a row that we wanted to water, and to those connectors we would attach a drip line. So this is a thin-walled plastic that has emitters at about every 6 inches, which slowly provide water to our vegetable crops. So this is what a small irrigation system would look like in action. This is the main feed line, which would run across the top of the garden. And then every place we have a row, we have inserted an emitter just by punching a hole in this line. And then we have attached our drip line. This is a hose-in connector, which we can attach directly to our feed line, which will screw right on to the end of a regular garden hose. So this can be a really simple way to manually attach a garden hose and drip irrigate your entire garden. One important thing to keep in mind is that most of these drip lines only operate from about 5 to 20 pounds per square inch of pressure. So you may have to have a pressure regulator here so that you do not damage your drip lines with the water pressure from your own home garden. Quick reminder about installing drip irrigation. Here we have it over top of our natural straw and newspaper mulch, but if you're using a plastic mulch, which of course water cannot drip through, you will need to install your drip line underneath the mulch.